Right, now we can take it off the lathe. Time for final assembly. The tip. Keep hold of these little plastic covers that the pen kit gets delivered in. That's really useful. There's the ink refill, the middle ring, the twist mechanism, the clip, and the cap. Pretty quick assembly process this is, especially when you've not got a pen jig to worry about. So there are such things as pen presses, where you hold everything perfectly concentrically and squish them all together nice and straight. None of that. We're going to use the drill press. I've done this loads of times. I haven't destroyed a pen yet. Let's see how we get on. So we're going to use our drill press there to come down, clamp on the parts. I'm holding the pen up against the drill press quill, just on this little blank here, so that I can get the pressure where I need. There we go. And if you can see, oops, sorry, excuse me. That's actually a really nice fit. Hello. Okay, twist mechanism goes in next. This part needs to be precise. So you want this, the brass should be inside the tube, and then it's a matter of adjusting from the end of the brass to that first line there, how far you want the pen to protrude when you do the twist. So I tend to go in just as far as the brass, do a test fit, adjust if I need to. Okay, we'll do a test fit. And then for the first time in its life, it's a pen. That's pretty good. So the nib is fully retracted when it's closed and fully usable when it's out. You can see there's a tiny bit of wax on the end of the ballpoint there. I'll leave that on just to protect it. There. That's good. That's a good fit. Now one bit that doesn't need the press. The center ring just slides on. Again, a nice, really nice fit on this pen. Happy with this. The top tube. We'll go that way on this one. You can see having disparate materials between the bottom and the top mean that you don't have to worry about grain running all the way down, which is nice. Then we go with our, so the clip. The cap goes through the clip and the clip onto the top of the pen. And we push that in using the drill press. And this is that point where you're happy that you saved those couple of bits of plastic, because you can then put that over the top there just to stop from scratching the top of your cap. Just try and get that nice and straight. This is your chance to give everything one last little straighten up. Because once it's in, it's in. Quite happy with that. Like I said, you can see the sapel is a little bit randomly spaced. It's not the nice sequential segment that we spoke about at the beginning of the video, but I really don't know how I did that when I was making up the previous blank, but I kind of like it.